So my chicken looks like that because I defrosted it with hot water, and now I'm adding in berbere instead of paprika. I'm adding in salt to taste, and now I'm gonna add in ginger and garlic paste. Now using my hands, I'm gonna massage all of those spices into the chicken. Now I'm gonna add in some dried thyme because I don't have fresh thyme. Now I'm gonna add in green chili peppers to make it very spicy. I'm adding in barbecue sauce. This part is totally up to you, but I'm adding in habanero sauce, some soy sauce. Now I'm adding green onions, some sriracha sauce. So now I'm gonna mix everything in the chicken and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. Now I'm spraying my pan with olive oil, and I'm gonna dump the chicken on the pan and put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Spread out your chicken so it can cook evenly. Oh my god, like my whole house smells so good. I can't wait to eat this. Now I'm gonna start making the sauce. I'm using barbecue sauce. I added in some ketchup, and now I'm gonna add sriracha sauce and some habanero sauce, and let that cook for like 3 to 5 minutes on medium. Now take your sauce and put it on top of the chicken and mix it well. You see how saucy that is?